Let me show you step by step how people are creating free videos using AI. And they are not just creating these videos, they are crushing it online. They are getting millions and millions of views on social media with these type of videos, and the top resources and the top softwares that they are using to create this video. So I'm going to share it with you because it's one of the top trending softwares online to allow and create powerful, high engaging videos for free using AI. And not just a normal video, you could do any type of video. You could do training video, you could do animated video, you could do entertainment videos, you could do cartoon videos, you could do a sales video, you could do a promotional video. Every single video, any type of video, any category, any niche can be created using this powerful tool. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, click the share button, share this video with the people you care. It would be really appreciated, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated, alright? And if you want to learn how I make money online, the top businesses I use, how people are generating 100% profit selling a done for you product and system where you are given on a silver platter, and not just that, but actually given you all the training with all the wins, then check out the links in my description box below this video. Okay, so let's get into this. So you can see here, this is a powerful tool called InVideo. Okay, you can get access to this tool by going to this website address that's popping up on the screen and create your free account. It's a free tool that you can use to create these powerful videos and then use it and share it on social media. It's one of the best tools out there. So I'm just sharing it with you, and you can see here how this tool is going to work. Okay, so if you come here, you can see here AI video generator, AI avatar generator, UGC ads, AI image generator, animation maker, link to video, movie maker, AI video meme generator, TikTok video maker, AI clip generator, YouTube shorts maker, etc. It's so much powerful. Then if I go to InVideo Studio, look at it, online video editor, everything. You could just read through this, pause the video, read through this. I'm just showing you the features of this powerful tool that's taking the internet by storm. All right, and I'm going to show you how to create a quick video using this. All right, so you have seen the features. You could see what this can do for you. This has so much powerful stuff. You can see some of the video previews down here. It's a video AI generated 16 million plus stock photos and videos. All right, AI video generator, just put in a generator and it will generate all type of videos with translation. Okay, and then you could just walk through and see what this can do for you. All right, so check this out. Okay, it's got all the questions, answer sessions, everything inside, and there you go. You just put in a prompt, a quick prompt, and the software goes behind the scenes in the background and creates this video for you. So I'm going to show you how it all works. So let's get into this. Okay, so I'm inside the AI InVideo tool, and I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, so you can see at the bottom down here it says create short videos, make your explainer videos, use my script, create UGC ads, workflow, clone myself, which means if you have your own voice, you could clone your own voice and create a very, very powerful video. Now, when you want to use this software, make sure you're on V4 4.0. It's one of the advanced model that they just launched recently. Right? I'm going to use the old version for now, so I'm just going to go to 3.0, and I want to use this as my video. So I'm going to create a short video, so I'm going to click on the create short, and then it's going to ask me this one question here. All right, fast pace, very fast pace. I'm going to go fast pace. Why is it for YouTube shorts, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram reels? Let's put this one for now. Okay, and then I'm just going to give them a quick prompt. So I'm going to say create a millionaire lifestyle video with the background being a mansion and beaches. All right, so it's going to go and it's going to create this quick video for me. So I'm just going to copy this Okay, no, just leave it like this. Let's generate the video, and it's going to go out there and create this very, very powerful video for me. So once it's ready, I will show you how it seems and how it looks. Okay, so the video is ready. So I'm just going to play and see what
you need to hear this if you're dreaming big. Luxury isn't just for the lucky few. Here's how millionaires truly live. Imagine sipping your morning coffee with
Okay, so the video is looking quite good. Now, I have an option to actually edit this video. I could do so many stuff. So if I don't like something, what I can do, I could just put a command in here, put something and click on generate, and it will go ahead and regenerate the video. I could also edit the video. So if I come here, edit, you could see all the images background that it's using. I could delete it. I could add something to it extra, and then I could go down and I could even use these scripts. So I could delete some of the scripts that it's talking about. I could edit it. If I want to add something that I want to do, I could do so much cool stuff. I could also upload my own media, stock media, generated media. I could add some music to it if I want to. If I want to add some scripts to it, I could do that too. Okay, so you could see it's added all the scripts here, but if I want to make any kind of changes, I could do that. If I want to delete it, I can do that. I could go to the settings and I could do so much cool stuff to this as well. Add some subtitle, I could do a sticker, I could do a transition, I could do overlay. Okay, and then I could do test, I could do the SFX master volume, media audio master volume, music master volume. Okay, so everything you can do in this created AI video. And if I'm happy with everything, I think everything is looking good, I don't need to change anything, I don't want to add anything, I don't want to edit anything, then what I just do, I just click on download, and it's going to go ahead and download this video onto my computer. Alright, so it's that simple to make money, to create powerful free videos using AI. Okay, so you can join this network for free using this link that's popping up on the screen. Now, if you want to learn how the top online business owners are making money online using 100% profit, and you want to get access to powerful training with a done-for-you product system, then check out the links in my description box below this video and check out everything that you will see and you will learn. Alright, so this is a very, very powerful business that the top internet gurus are using to sell. You don't have to create your product, you don't have to create any kind of paid sales video. Everything is done for you, setup is everything done for you, and you are given with all the training to sell with live training webinars, Q&A, question and answer sessions, plus a like-minded community of over 50,000 people that's going to help you all the way through. So all the links are going to be in my description box below this video.